When it comes to building meaningful connections with women, the key often lies in understanding both yourself and the dynamics of attraction. Far too often, people focus on external traits or gimmicks, hoping to impress with superficial qualities. However, the real secret is rooted in deeper, more genuine qualities that women truly admire. Whether you're looking to form lasting relationships or simply enhance your personal appeal, there are a few powerful actions you can take that will always make women feel drawn to you. By focusing on self-confidence, emotional intelligence, and respect, you can create an aura of charisma that goes beyond appearances. It's not about playing games, but rather being authentic, attentive, and present. In this guide, we'll explore the steps you can take to naturally captivate the attention of women, making them genuinely appreciate your presence and want to be around you. Why a wise woman walks away in silence, who reads between the lines, who makes her feel seen. This is what separates the ordinary from the extraordinary. Most men are replaceable because they offer the same predictable patterns, the same desperate need for attention, the same weak, uncalibrated responses. But the man who remains unpredictable yet reliable, who is steady yet exciting, who challenges her while making her feel safe, that is the man she cannot forget. Strength alone is not enough. You must also cultivate intelligence, emotional depth, and an unwavering sense of purpose. When you do this, you do not chase, you do not beg, you do not need to prove your worth. You simply exist as a force of nature, and women will feel drawn to you in ways they themselves cannot fully explain. The foundation of attraction is not external tricks, fleeting confidence, or rehearsed charm. Is mastery over yourself. This is the one thing that cannot be borrowed or temporarily applied. It must be built from within, solidified through discipline, and maintained through consistent action. A man who has not mastered himself is a man at the mercy of his emotions, his impulses, and the opinions of others. He is reactive rather than proactive, driven by short-term desires rather than long-term purpose. And the moment a man seeks external validation, whether from women or society, he surrenders his power. He places his sense of worth in the hands of others, making himself dependent on their approval to feel significant. And here is the fundamental truth. Neediness is repulsive. It signals a lack of control, a lack of certainty, and ultimately, a lack of strength. A man who has true command over himself is different. He does not chase approval. He sets the standard. He does not beg for attention. He commands presence. He does not need to impress his life. Itself is impressive. This is the essence of natural attraction. It is not something you force. It is something you become. Women are not drawn to a man because he tries to be attractive. They are drawn to a man who embodies attraction itself. A man who is so deeply grounded in his sense of self that he does not waver in the face of rejection, challenge, or uncertainty. He remains composed because he is not seeking permission to be valued. He already knows his worth, and this unwavering confidence rooted in real self-mastery is what sets him apart. The process of mastering oneself is not easy. It requires discipline, introspection, and relentless self-improvement. A man must learn to control his emotions rather than be controlled by them. He must cultivate patience, strength, and resilience. A man who has mastered himself is a man who has direction. He does not drift. Identifying energy drainers, disguised as friends, aimlessly reacting to life as it comes, he sets a course and moves forward with determination. He prioritizes his goals, his growth, and his purpose above all else. And ironically, it is this very detachment from seeking validation that makes him so attractive. Because when a man is focused on something greater than himself, when his energy is directed toward building, achieving, and evolving naturally, exudes a presence that is impossible to ignore. Attraction is not about impressing women. It is about becoming a man who impresses himself. A man who wakes up each day and knows that he is stronger, sharper, and more capable than he was the day before. A man who does not seek permission to be great, but instead embodies greatness through his actions. When a man achieves this level of self-mastery, attraction is no longer something he worries about. It becomes a byproduct of the life he has built. Women do not just notice him. They are drawn to him not because he is trying to win them over, but because he has already won the most important battle, the battle over himself. Most men look at attraction through a surface-level lens. They believe it's about wealth, status, or appearance, but in reality it's about something much deeper and unspoken psychological and emotional dynamic that governs human connection. A man who understands this does not need tricks or manipulation. He naturally commands attention because he speaks to something deeper within a woman's nature. Attraction is not just about how you look, it's about how you make a woman feel. A man who understands psychological and emotional depth knows that a woman's attraction is not purely logical. It's driven by a complex interplay of emotions, subconscious patterns, and deeply rooted instincts. And yet most men completely ignore this. They assume that providing for a woman financially or impressing her with grand gestures will make her stay. But if that were true, every wealthy or conventionally attractive man would have the perfect relationship. And we know that's not the case. The truth is, women are not drawn to the man who simply provides security. They are drawn to the man who makes them feel alive, a man who can engage their mind, challenge their emotions, and create a sense of depth and intrigue. This is where most men fail. They either become too predictable, too safe, too accommodating, too eager to please her. They become emotionally distant, unable to connect in a meaningful way. The balance is in being unpredictable yet reliable, dominant yet compassionate, firm yet understanding. A woman wants a man who sees through her words to what she truly means. Women do not always communicate in direct literal terms. They often express their emotions in layers through subtle. How manipulators twist reality and control emotions, cues, and unspoken messages. The man who takes everything at face value, who lacks the ability to read between the lines, will struggle to maintain deep ATT reaction. Women are drawn to men who just get it, who can sense their emotions without needing an explanation, who can respond with strength rather than insecurity. This does not mean becoming an emotional sponge, absorbing all of a woman's worries and concerns while neglecting your own strength. It means being emotionally attuned without being emotionally fragile. It means having the ability to listen, to understand, to lead and to reassure all, maintaining your own sense of control. Women test men constantly, not because they are malicious, but because they need to know that the man they are with is stable, capable, and unwavering. Under pressure, if a man becomes defensive, reactive, or insecure, in response to these tests, he fails. But the man who remains composed, who understands that these challenges are not personal attacks, but rather subconscious assessments of his strength, maintains his position of power beyond emotional intelligence. A man must also cultivate a psychological presence. He must carry an air of not by playing games or being intentionally evasive, but by having depth. A man with layers, a man who is constantly evolving, remains interesting. If a man is too simple, too transparent, too easy to figure out, attraction fades. Unforgettable emotional depth is not about being overly sentimental or expressive. It's about having a presence that makes a woman feel something profound. It's about leading, not controlling. It's about listening, not just hearing. It's about knowing when to stand firm and when to be gentle. A man who understands this does not struggle with attraction. He naturally becomes a force that women gravitate toward, because ultimately attraction is not just about what you have, but about who you are and how you make someone feel in your presence. In conclusion, the most powerful way to capture and maintain a woman's attention is through authenticity and emotional intelligence. Women are often drawn to individuals who are not only confident in who they are, but who also show a genuine interest in others. By focusing on self-improvement, being kind, and maintaining a positive, respectful attitude, you'll naturally create a magnetic energy that women are attracted to. This isn't about following tricks or formulas, but about embodying qualities that women value in their partners and friends. Ultimately, the secret to making women crazy about you isn't a one-time act, but a continuous evolving approach to personal growth and meaningful connections. When you focus on building trust, being a good listener, and prioritizing emotional well-being, you will naturally attract women who appreciate the real you. Keep cultivating your confidence, empathy, and respect, and you'll find that the connections you make will be deeper, more fulfilling, and built to last.